Hey guys, it's Anna here at Dee's, and today I'm going to show you how we make our accent or lantern bows. We show you these every season, but they still are super popular because they're so simple to add into your home. They're great to twist onto a lantern or onto the metal fleur-de-lis. A lot of you have these, and they're just nice because you can wire them off, wire a different season on, and I'm going to show you how to make a bow kind of like this one. So first you need a pick. I've chosen this one that's really cute. It's got the double white pumpkin with a little bit of greenery and a pine cone and some berries. I prefer a mixed pick because you get a lot of nice textures, and then you only need one and you can just add some ribbon, as opposed to getting a pick that's just all leaves. It's just nice to have it a mix there. So what you're going to want to do is cut the bottom of your stem off, but you're going to leave some. If you cut too close up to that pumpkin, then the whole thing is going to fall apart. So make sure to leave a little bit of a stem and then fluff out your pick. You don't want to fluff it out too wide, you just want to fluff it out enough so that it looks natural. And I always like to do a little bit towards the top because this is going to hang down, so maybe bring a leaf and a little twig up to the top so you get some going to the top of the lantern. Next, choose your ribbons. I have chosen a 2.5-inch burlap and then a green to go with it. I always make the ribbon in my hand, but don't go on and wire it off. Just hold it in your hand and you're going to attach it to your stem. So leave the piece going up about 6 inches and pinch it. Then you hold it in your left hand using your right hand, twist it. The reason we twist it is that helps the ribbon stand up really nicely, and it makes it so that the pretty side is always on top. So make your first loop, pinch it in between your fingers again, twist it, and it's like a figure 8. So as you can see, it does make like a figure 8, and that way when you wire it, your loops are attached and you're going to wire right where your fingers are. So go on and make another loop the same size, and then you're going to cut the tail that hangs down. So this is the one that's going to go up. This one's going to come down, so kind of hold it up to your lantern, and if you want it to have a lot of ribbon and show up really well, leave it a lot longer, almost about 1/2 of a yard. So go on and cut that away, and now you're ready for your smaller ribbon. I always do the bigger one first on the bottom. So again, leave a little bit up, pinch and twist again like a figure 8. And now you're ready to cut this one. So instead of wiring it off right away with the cloth covered wire, I always like to attach it to the stem all in one piece. That way when it is time to decorate for another season, it comes off in one piece and you can store it in one piece. So take that cloth covered wire, I leave it folded in half, go around where your fingers are, and then it will be towards the back like this. Then just take that pick. Don't go to the very top because it'll slide off. Make sure you have a little bit of the foliage and go kind of in the middle of it. I'm going right above this pumpkin. Then I go to the back and I'm going to tie it in a knot as tight as I can get it. And double knot that. The other reason that's nice is not because it's going to come off in one piece, but then it's all secure and your pick doesn't wobble around on your bow. Now you're ready to fluff your bow on the pick, move your stem and your tails around, and cut your tails. So I'm going to go on and wire it on. I'm just simply going to twist it around the knob here at the top, and then cut my tails so I can figure out how long I want them. So you can fluff some more once it's up there. Go on and cut. And then this one here is nice and long, so this is a great one to just add a little bit of like a curl to. You can just wrap it up and curl it, and same thing here. Cut it, and then I always like to bend it in a few places, just since it's wired, it's nice. You can kind of make it have some movement to it. And that's perfect for a lantern. So again, you just twist it off. You can also make them a lot larger, like this one. This is great for the bigger fleur-de-lis or a bigger lantern, or some people like their lanterns really full, so you could do this. And that's simply just taking a stem that's larger and doing the exact same thing. You'll make your loops a little bit bigger and leave your tails a little longer, but you can really do this on anything. It's like making a mini swag for lots of things in your home. Make sure to check us out on Instagram and stay tuned for lots more videos for fall 2018.